Former chairman of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, Delroy Williams, has fired back at accusations of poor financial management during his tenure. Mr. Williams described the comments made by Chairman of the Finance Committee, Dennis Gordon, as careless.
I find the statement is reckless against the background that he fully well understands what the process is and what was happening. And as a matter of fact, the entire process was made clear to him at the last finance committee, which he chaired. He fully well knew that a balanced budget was sent to the ministry by the chief financial officer.
He says concerns were raised by the Ministry of Finance based on projections, and the ministry recommended that a review be done. Mr. Williams added that this information was outlined in a meeting with the current chairman of the Finance Committee.
I don't understand that. And to say that we were careless and that we sent a budget that wasn't balanced, to say that the chief financial officer and the town clerk and all of us sent a budget to the ministry that wasn't balanced was just so dishonest and not true.